beauty people. How is your day going? Mine is fantastic because I finally got the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you don't know what this is a $25 a month subscription. This is a pretty new subscription. I believe it was only about a few months now. The regular Ipsy bags are $10 a piece. So when I heard they were coming out with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I was so excited. So excited, but I have been on the waiting list and I was kind of upset because I've got Ipsy for over 3 years and I've known there are people that only had it for a few months that got it. So doesn't matter. I got it now, so I am excited. You know that saying, it's better late than never. So let's open her up and see what's inside. So of course this is the January 2019 and I have not opened it yet, so we will see together. All right, I am so excited. So it looks like it comes like this with this little blue spongy thing here to protect it, and then you open it up and there are your goodies. All right, so let's see. All right, so this is like a little, how does it open? Okay, like this. So it tells you what everything is and tells you the prices, which is good because the regular Ipsy doesn't have prices or doesn't have like cards to tell you what everything is. So let's just start out. All right, the first thing I see is Barefoot Venus. Okay, so I redeemed points last month, so I noticed that they must have put it in here. This is a Barefoot Venus. It's a hand cream, but I got it because I think the scent was like lemon. Yeah, lemon freckle. All right, so that's good. So the first thing that I'm seeing is a palette. So what's this? I believe everybody got this. So this is the Violet Voss HD palette. So I think it's the mini size of the Holy Grail palette. Now we just got the full size Holy Grail palette in our Boxy Luxe. So it's good to see that this is an Ipsy. Open her up and see what it looks like. Oh my God, this is so cute. So this says the fun size palette. I mean, look at my hand. I mean, it's so stinking cute. All right, let's see. It looked bigger when I would watch videos. All right, so I'm going to take this little piece off. Does it come off? Let's see. All right, I'm going to cover the mirror up. It comes with a mirror so I don't blind you guys. And that's what it looks like. It is so, so, so cute. That is adorable. This would be great for travel and stuff, but I'm going to put this in a giveaway since I do have the big size, the Holy Grail palette. I'd rather give it to you guys so you guys can play around because I know not everybody got the Boxy Luxe. And make sure that you are subscribed because next month will be my 2-year anniversary and I'm having a pretty big giveaway. So I'm looking at the box right now. It's quite a few things in there. So make sure that you are subscribed so you can get in on the giveaway. All right, what else did we get? Now, oh, let me read up one. I'm getting ahead of myself because I'm like so excited. All right, let's see. How much does that say that was? All right, so that is $18. Wow, that's expensive for that small palette. All right, the next thing I got is this Hey Honey, Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum right there. And if you are not new to my channel, you know that I love skincare. Love it. All right, so that's what it looks like right there. And it comes with a pump, which is good. All right, let's see how much this puppy is. This is $45. Wow, that's great. All right, the next thing we got is the Ofra highlighter. These are my favorite highlighters. The Ofra formula is, I just love it so much. And this is the new packaging, so that's exciting. All right, how much is this puppy? I believe it's like $35. Yeah, it's $35, and it is in the shade Rodeo Drive. Let's see if I can open this up. No, it's broke. Oh my God. was going to put this in a giveaway. So I will definitely email Ipsy. But these highlighters are very soft. So, damn, that pisses me off. All right, and I got it all over. Well, I will email them, and I noticed with Ipsy, though, when you email them, they do ship you out another one, so I'll just take a picture of it. So that's kind of like upsetting, but all right, it happens. All right, the next thing we got is from Vassanti. This is a Matte Crush. This is a Crown lipstick. What shade is this? What'd you be? Does it say on here? I don't know. This is the packaging if I didn't show you. Okay. Let's see if the shade says on here. Or maybe it says on here. Oh, it is in It's Your Mauve. I know this is $23. I know that there were 2 shades. I think there was like a berry shade and a mauve shade. So that's what she looks like right there. Let's do a swatch. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is so pretty. And it is very, very creamy. So I am definitely excited to get that. $23 though. But it's very creamy. All right. The next thing we got is by Briogeo. This is the milk one. I just got this in a BoxyCharm, but I got the sample size. So I think I might keep this. This is a leave-in conditioning spray. Comes like that. You know, you would just pump it in your hand and put it on your hair. And then the sample one that I got, I will put in a giveaway. So how much is the full size? $20. Okay. And let's see. Last but not least is by Murad, and I love this brand. So this is an Acne Control Skin Perfecting Lotion. It says oil-free hydration for blemish-prone skin. Let's see what it looks like. And right there is what it looks like. So that's good. So with this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you are guaranteed to get 5 full-size items. Let's see how much that puppy is. The only thing I don't like about this is you got to keep turning it around. So that's $40. Wow. So you got a $40 product. You got a $20 product. $23, $45, and $18. And that's only $25. So it's like, I know a lot of people comparing it to like BoxyCharm because of the price. And I have to, oh, and I forgot, in the O for highlighter, which is $35, which is all broke, which, you know, it's not Ipsy's fault. Let's see how their customer service is to see if they'll give me another one. I will send the link to this video so that they can see. I think this is like, got BoxyCharm better be scared. BoxyCharm better be on the lookout because it's only a couple dollars more. And for my first box, this is amazing. I am the type of person, I love getting hair care, skin care, and makeup. And it's all of it in one. So I really like it. Comment down below, do you get Ipsy Glam Bag Plus? Are you still on the waiting list? Let me know. And if you are on the waiting list, let me know how long have you been signed up to the regular Ipsy. I know somebody told me they had Ipsy for 5 years and they're still on the waiting list. So that kind of sucks, but let me know what you think of this bag. And like this video because it really helps me out. So if you are still watching, at the end of each video, I usually say what's on my face, and I give a little review because I do get asked a lot what eyeshadow palette I have on. So for today, I have 2. I have the Anastasia Soft Glam Palette and the Modern Renaissance. So I like this formula a lot, but I hate this carpet. I mean, it's not carpet, but it feels like carpet. It's like a velvety thing because look how dirty it gets. And I keep these pretty clean. What I need to do is really start keeping the box and keeping them in the box. And it comes with a mirror. And so this is what it looks like right there. I love this. I didn't think I was going to like this Soft Glam palette because I thought this is kind of boring. But I have to tell you, like, this is one of my favorite palettes of 2018 that I have, I use a lot. It doesn't look like it, but I definitely do. And then I have, you know, the famous Modern Renaissance. And you can see how much I really got into this as well. Because I never hit pan on eyeshadows. Now, this formula is very soft, so it has a lot of kick up, so it doesn't take that long if you use it a lot to actually hit pan. But for me to hit how many? 1, 2, 3, and almost hitting pan on this right here, shimmer shade in Primavera, is saying a lot. I really love these formulas. But out of these two, I like the Soft Glam better. And on my, I was going to say on my eyes, on my lips, I have the Give Me Glow Cosmetics in the shade 1990, which I really like. So that's everything. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what was your most go-to eyeshadow palette in 2018. All right, guys, I'm going to get off of here. As always, I leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.